Hello, this is Michael from English Runway. Today we're going to use 100 simple small talk sentences that help you start any conversation in real life. I'll read slowly, then you just listen and repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. How's your day going so far? How's your day going so far? Nice to see you. How have you been? Nice to see you. How have you been? Busy day today? Busy day today? The weather feels really nice today. The weather feels really nice today. It's a bit hot outside, isn't it? It's a bit hot outside, isn't it? It looks like it might rain later. It looks like it might rain later. Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? How's your week going? How's your week going? Got any plans for the weekend? Got any plans for the weekend? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Hope your day is going well. Hope your day is going well. How's everything at work? How's everything at work? How's life treating you these days? How's life treating you these days? Have you eaten yet? Have you eaten yet? Did you have breakfast this morning? Did you have breakfast this morning? How's your coffee today? How's your coffee today? Do you come here often? Do you come here often? Have you been here before? Have you been here before? How long have you lived around here? How long have you lived around here? Are you working today? Are you working today? Do you have a long day ahead? Do you have a long day ahead? How's your family doing? How's your family doing? How are things at home? How are things at home? How's your morning going? How's your morning going? That's a nice shirt. Where did you get it? That's a nice shirt. Where did you get it? I love your shoes. They look comfortable. I love your shoes. They look comfortable. You look great today. You look great today. That's a cool bag you have. That's a cool bag you have. Did you watch anything good recently? Did you watch anything good recently? Have you been watching any shows lately? Have you been watching any shows lately? Do you like movies? Do you like movies? What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of music do you listen to? This place is pretty nice, right? This place is pretty nice, right? The vibe here feels good today. The vibe here feels good today. Do you come here for work or study? Do you come here for work or study? How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Is it your first time here? Is it your first time here? Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby? How did you get here today? How did you get here today? Was the traffic bad this morning? Was the traffic bad this morning? Did you sleep early last night? Did you sleep early last night? What time did you wake up today? What time did you wake up today? Do you have lunch plans? Do you have lunch plans? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? How's the food here? How's the food here? Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? Do you usually eat out or cook at home? Do you usually eat out or cook at home? That smells really good. What is it? That smells really good. What is it? Are you into sports? Are you into sports? Do you work out often? Do you work out often? Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? The gym was really busy this morning. The gym was really busy this morning. Do you like walking in the morning? Do you like walking in the morning? It's a perfect day for a walk. It's a perfect day for a walk. The sky looks amazing today. The sky looks amazing today. It's a bit cold today, right? It's a bit cold today, right? Do you enjoy cold weather? Do you enjoy cold weather? Do you like warm weather more? Do you like warm weather more? Have you traveled anywhere recently? Have you traveled anywhere recently? Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Where would you love to go next? Where would you love to go next? Have you tried any new food recently? Have you tried any new food recently? Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? Do you prefer coffee or tea? Do you prefer coffee or tea? How's your drink? How's your drink? Long day or just starting? Long day or just starting? What time do you finish work today? What time do you finish work today? Did you take the bus here? Did you take the bus here? Was the train crowded? Was the train crowded? Do you usually wake up early? Do you usually wake up early? Are you more of a night person? Are you more of a night person? Did you have a good morning? Did you have a good morning? Hope today is kind to you. Hope today is kind to you. How's your energy today? How's your energy today? Feeling productive today? Feeling productive today? Do you like reading? Do you like reading? What kind of books do you read? What kind of books do you read? Heard any good news today? Heard any good news today? Anything interesting happening this week? Anything interesting happening this week? Is it busy for you this month? Is it busy for you this month? How's the weather where you live? How's the weather where you live? Do you like living in this area? Do you like living in this area? This week feels really fast, right? This week feels really fast, right? Time flies so quickly these days. Time flies so quickly these days. Do you enjoy your mornings? Do you enjoy your mornings? Do you like meeting new people? Do you like meeting new people? Do you speak any other languages? Do you speak any other languages? How long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English? Your English sounds really good. Your English sounds really good. Do you practice every day? Do you practice every day? Do you listen to English podcasts? Do you listen to English podcasts? Have you learned anything new today? Have you learned anything new today? That sounds interesting. Tell me more. That sounds interesting. Tell me more. I like your vibe. You seem chill. I like your vibe. You seem chill. It's nice talking to you. It's nice talking to you. I enjoy our conversation. I enjoy our conversation. Thanks for chatting with me. Thanks for chatting with me. Hope we talk again soon. Hope we talk again soon. Have a great day. Have a great day. And that's all for today. See you next time, and don't forget to hit subscribe.